Our company, J4, was established in 1994 by experts boasting a rich expertise in the development and manufacture of baking tunnel ovens. We manufacture bakery tunnel ovens tailor-made for the needs of specific baked products and customers' requirements. We cooperate with major technology suppliers to ensure deliveries of complete production lines for baking bread, pastry, and confectionery products. All the manufacturing processes are concentrated in our own production plant. The design department is the core of our company. State-of-the-art software is used in our design process. Since our equipment and technology is constantly innovated, our company figures among the technological leaders in the world. Our production proceeds on modern machines, safeguarding high precision and quality of our products. This makes it possible to create interesting and complex design shapes. Sophisticated optical laser is used to cut the shapes of complex parts. MIG welding technology is used for welding common or stainless steels and aluminum. We provide complete electrical installation of ovens, including control cabinets and control panels. Products are surface finished in the paint shop using quality high-temperature paints. Individual components of ovens are assembled in our assembly hall to facilitate easy transport. Ovens are then ready for dispatch to the customer. Thanks to their appropriate qualifications and regular self-improvement at work, all our employees contribute to a steady rise of the company's overall quality standards. At present, we manufacture approximately 30 baking tunnel ovens a year. We are committed to following and promoting the traditions of Czech engineering, ranking among the world leaders in the bakery business. We supply baking tunnel ovens of many types, which can be configured at the customer's request. Heating media such as natural gas, diesel, mazut, wooden pellets, or electricity are used in our ovens. All our ovens may be furnished with different types of conveyor belts. The baking technology is fully automated, controlled by a specifically developed software. Our equipment is known for minimum energy consumption and low investment and operating costs. With our ovens, you are sure to produce baked products of very high standards, at lower requirements for the quantity and quality of maintenance. All our technological innovations are tested in our own bakery, called Perník PLC, manufacturing a broad assortment of traditional, cereal, and gluten-free products. Since its establishment, our company has installed more than 650 tunnel ovens in as many as 40 countries throughout the world, which puts us among the leading players on the world markets. We build ovens for masters of their craft. J4.
We're proud to partner with J4 Ovens as their exclusive dealer in North America. Call us today, 610-970-2270.